Story name is The Golden Touch. The Golden Touch. In England there lived King Midas, who ruled over a vast kingdom. He lived in a beautiful palace with his wife Caroline and their daughter Tiara. King Midas was a very wealthy man. Of all his possessions, he loved gold the most. He had a lot of riches, yet he always longed for more. King Midas was kind but extremely greedy for gold. One night King Midas was sleeping when he heard a noise. Just then a white light appeared before him. A beautiful angel wearing a long blue dress appeared. The angel started talking to Midas. Midas, she said in the most melodious voice he had ever heard, "You are a good man. I am here to grant you a wish. Ask for anything you like." King Midas was excited. He replied, "There is one thing I want the most. I wish that everything that I touch should turn into gold." The angel said, "Is that what you really want?" Midas, "Yes, think carefully." Midas answered, "Yes, of course." The angel said, so be it from this day onwards. Everything you touch will turn into gold." The next morning, Midas got out of bed and thought to himself, "Did an angel really come and grant my wish?" He sat up and touched his clothes. At once, his clothes turned to gold. He was amazed. He got up and touched his chair, which turned to gold. Midas walked around and started touching everything in his room. Soon, his room was filled with golden objects. King Midas was happier than he had ever been. After getting dressed, King Midas went down to enjoy a hearty breakfast. He sat down and picked up an apple, which instantly turned to gold. King Midas frowned. This would be a little difficult, he thought. He touched the bowl of fruit. At once, it turned to gold. King Midas was hungry, but he could not eat anything. He now understood why the angel asked him to think carefully before asking for a wish. Midas walked around garden sadly. He wished that angel would come to him once again and take away the spell forever. Just then, Princess Tiara was running around the palace looking for her father. "Papa!" she cried and ran towards him with a smile. The king was so happy to see her. He forgot all about his golden touch and hugged his daughter. At once, she turned into a statue of gold. Midas was horrified. He ran into the palace and cried aloud, "Please take this wish away. It has brought me much grief." All of a sudden, the angel appeared. She asked Midas, "I hope you have realized how greedy you have been." Midas hung his head in shame. "I promise I will never be greedy again." The angel smiled and turned everything look back to the way it was. Midas hugged his beautiful daughter, who came running to him. From that day onwards, he stopped being greedy and lived happily with what he had. Moral of the story is, greed is the root of many troubles. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.